What's up, Sneakerheads? Welcome back to Replica Showcase. Today we have something incredibly special for you. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG. This pair is not just a classic but also come with a unique twist in all its glory. Look at that deconstructed upper offering a textured look and added comfort. This is not just a sneaker, it is a piece of art. Let's get into the detail. The discontracted upper really stand out, does not it? This feature only provide a unique texture, but this feature not only provide a unique texture but also enhance the overall comfort of the shoe. Perfect for casual wear and showing off your style. Now let's talk about the fit. As expected, these Jordan are truly to size and incredibly comfortable. The classic air conditioning underneath ensure that each step caution to perfection. Whether you are walk down the street or hitting the court, this sneaker was not let you down. Styling these bad boys is a breeze. Pair them with jeans, short or even joggers and you are good to go. Their versatile design make them suitable for almost my casual outfit. Trust me, you will turn headward wherever you go. Comparing the Air Jordan 1 Low OG to the other sneaker in its range, it clearly stand out. The unique deconstructed upper set it appeared, and the classic air conditioning is a timeless feature that never disappointment. For more in-depth review and go to grab a pair of these iconic sneakers, make sure to check out the link in the description box. It will take you to where you will find of all. What do you think about the Air Jordan 1 Low OG? How you tried them yet? Drop your thought in the comments below, and do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update for Replica Showcase. That's it for today unboxing and review. Remember, you are looking for unique high quality sneakers. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG is a must have. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace.